So over here you can see that I got two lines of text and they are aligned to the center. So now if I want to left align them, then you can go around and select the text right here, and then you can go around onto the top and click on the align button. Once you do that, you have an option to align it to the left or in the center or the right here. You also have an option to justify the text, but it seems as if it just left aligned right here. So I'm just going to go around and type in something like TutorTube. So I'm just going to go around and say TutorTube is a place to learn new things every day in the time you want. Alright, so I just typed in this, and now you can see that this is actually aligned out right here. If I were to go around and left align it, you can see that the text right here gets aligned to the left. On the center, everything centers out, and if I were to right align it, everything aligns to the right. But if I were to click on justify, then what happens is that it keeps the space between the left and right side of the text equal, as you can see right here. It keeps it equal and increases the space in between if necessary right here to make the text look much more balanced. So if you're working around with a paragraph and so forth, so you can go around and use the justify option as well. Another thing that you can do is work around with text spacing. So the vertical space in between this text is certain, and if you want to go around and change it, then you can go around onto spacing right here and select 1.5 times of the length right here. So you can see this is 1.5 spacing right here. You can also have double line spacing so that one entire space related to the text is empty. You can work around with the line height as well. You can increase and decrease out the line height as well, and even work around with the space in between the letters, as you can see, to get the spacing that you want for the text that you see right here. And you can even overlap them out by having negative spacing, as you can see, just like this. And that is how you can work around with text alignment and text spacing inside of VistaCreate projects. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.